I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Stripe payouts can seem tricky, but it's straightforward once you know the steps. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by logging into your Stripe account using your credentials. This is where you'll manage all your payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to Payout Settings. Once you're in your dashboard, find the Settings option in the left-hand menu and click on it. From there, look for Payouts to access the payout settings. Step 3. Add a new debit card. In the Payouts section, look for an option to add a debit card. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 4. Verify your card. After entering your card information, Stripe may require you to verify the card. This can involve a small temporary charge to confirm ownership. Make sure to check your bank statement for this charge. Step 5. Save changes. Once your card is verified, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page to ensure your new debit card is added successfully. If you follow these steps, you should have your debit card added to your Stripe payouts in no time. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Stripe support. Happy managing!